Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn and understand some other questions of exercise 11.3. I have taken question number 7th of exercise 11.3. The question says that a closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meters and height 3 meters is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required? Now you have to calculate the area of sheet required or the amount of sheet required because the cylindrical tank is made up of metallic sheet. So to calculate the amount of sheet required, we need to calculate its total surface area. We need to calculate the total surface area of a cylindrical tank. Now the question arises, why total surface area only? Why not lateral or curved surface area? Because if we read and look at the question carefully, we will find that the word closed is used over here. What is the word is written over here? Closed. It means that the tank over here is a closed one. It has its cap. It has its lid. Okay. So it is closed. That is why the metal sheet is required to cover it completely, including its top and bottom, of course. So that is why we will use the formula of total surface area of cylinder to calculate the area of metal sheet required, because whatever is the total surface area of this tank will become the area of sheet required. So I have first of all written the given values, given dimensions. Here radius of tank is 7 meters, height is 3 meters. I have written the formula. Now I have substituted the values and I carried out its calculation, and I have got 440 meter square as the total surface area of this given tank. It means that 440 meter square of metal sheet will be required to cover it or to make it. Okay. Next question is question number 8. The question says that the lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. Students, we all are aware of a net of a cylinder, right? Whenever a hollow cylinder is cut along its height, what happens? The curved surface portion of a cylinder takes the shape of a rectangle. And we must know one most important thing, that is the area of that rectangular portion formed is equal to the curved surface area of hollow cylinder. Right? So here we are given the lateral surface area. What is the meaning of lateral here? We know that the lateral surface area or the curved surface area both are same. So here, in short, curved surface area of a hollow cylinder is given. Right? So what I can assume it for? I can assume that the rectangular sheet formed or obtained, its area will also be 4224 centimeter square. Right? So here I have written this only. LSA, lateral surface area of hollow cylinder, is 4224 centimeter square. Now this LSA of hollow cylinder will become the area of rectangular sheet obtained. So the area of rectangular sheet obtained will also be 4224 centimeter square. Since it is a rectangular sheet and I have to calculate its perimeter, the formula to calculate perimeter of rectangle is twice of length plus breadth. So, to calculate its perimeter, I need to know the length of this rectangular sheet. So, first I'll calculate the length of rectangular sheet by using the formula area upon width. Width of rectangular sheet is already given in the question, which is 33 centimeter. So, on substituting the value, I have got length, which is 128 centimeter. Now, finally, I have written the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangular sheet, which is twice of length plus breadth. I have substituted the values of length and breadth. On solving it, I have got 322 centimeter as the perimeter of rectangular sheet obtained. So, hope you have understood this question, students. Practice these two questions so that you can have very good command over them. Thank you so much.